Hi, my name is Steve Lair, and I am a PC and laptop repair technician. And today I want to talk about upgrading the storage on a laptop computer. So let's begin on my laptop, the Dell Inspiron 5720 laptop computer. Okay, here we have the 5720. To begin a storage upgrade, we need to flip it over onto its back. Okay. First step, whenever you're doing an upgrade of a laptop computer is to, or any computer for that matter, is to remove its power supply. You don't want any source of electricity on the laptop when you begin working on it. Otherwise that can lead to damage to the components. Now we have a back access cover plate, and that is secured by 2 screws. So we will undo these. And then we gently pry up the cover plate and set that aside. Now we have some of the internals of the laptop. We have the hard drive that the laptop came from the factory with. This is a 1 terabyte spinning disk hard drive. Here we have 2 4 gigabyte memory modules. They're called DIMMs. That stands for Dual Inline Memory Module, for a total of 8 gigabytes of main system memory. And here we have a wireless NIC card, and this black and white wires here run to the antenna, which is embedded into the laptop lid, or the screen lid. And here we have an empty card slot, and it's labeled MSATA, and that stands for Micro Serial ATA, which is a storage standard specification. Okay, to begin our upgrade, we simply remove the existing hard drive by simply and gently pulling it out of its slot, and we'll set that aside. Now we're going to replace the spinning disk hard drive with this Samsung 840 EVO solid state storage device. It has a maximum capacity of 250 gigabytes, which is far less than the 1 terabyte of the spinning disk hard drive, but the big difference here is that this is incredibly fast compared to the old spinning disk hard drive, and that's the whole point of this upgrade, is to get a storage for the computer that is much faster and much more responsive than the old spinning disk hard drive. So to install it, we just simply plug it in to the same socket that the old spinning disk hard drive was in, and then we'll secure it with 2 screws. Alright, and it is just that simple. Now there was one more thing. When I did the upgrade of this laptop, I noticed that we had that empty mSATA slot, and the primary purpose for this slot was to add a small amount of solid state memory, 32 gigabytes about, and that was to act as a cache or an accelerator for the spinning disk hard drive to enhance its performance by putting the most frequently used programs and applications on a solid state device to enhance the laptop's performance. But I also discovered that if I found a mSATA Micro Serial ATA storage card with much greater storage capacity, in this case 240 gigabytes, then I could have even more storage on the laptop that would begin to replace what was lost by removing the 1 terabyte spinning disk drive. So we place the card into its socket, and we gently move aside one of the wireless network adapter cables to make room, and we secure it in place with a retaining screw. And that's it. The upgrade is complete. The only thing left at this point was to reinstall the operating system, and in this case it was Windows 10. So let's put the laptop back together. Put that cover plate on, and we'll start the laptop up, and you'll be able to see just how much faster it performs now compared to when it was running on the old spinning disk hard drive. Put the battery back into its slot. Alright, turning it over, raising the lid, and there we go. Turning it on. Now it'll go through a power on self-test just that fast. And now it begins loading Windows. Just a few seconds. Okay, then I will bring up my profile, and I will go ahead and log in. And we'll see how fast it brings up my profile. Just that fast. If this laptop were running on the spinning disk hard drive still, it would still be loading Windows at this point. And to demonstrate the speed of the solid state hard drive, we'll launch Chrome. We'll launch Word. All right, we'll launch Windows Explorer. See if I can access some of my documents. And we see how fast it responds.
T-1 minute and counting.
All right. So that is the demonstration of upgrading the storage capacity on a laptop computer. And if this impresses you, then I hope that if I ever submit a bid on a project or a need that you may have to upgrade and improve your laptop storage and performance, then I would hopefully you would accept my bid, and I can go to work on helping you get the most out of your computer. Thank you.